Today, I want to talk about GCPs, or ground control points. I think there are still a few of you guys out there that may not quite understand what they are. So first, let's talk about what they are not. This is not a GCP. This is not a GCP. And this is not a GCP. Oh, wait, that is a GCP. Let me explain. A ground control point is just a single GPS coordinate. It may look like this, or this. It really depends on the format that's used. Now, anytime you work with GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System, your reference coordinate system, also known as a datum, is called WGS84, which stands for World Geodetic System 1984. And depending on the needs of your client, the WGS84 datum may need to be converted into another datum. But that's a topic for another day. For now, let's just talk about how to create a GCP. If you're using arrow points, the GPS unit is inside the target. These targets are very useful, but they'll cost you around $6,000 US. Now, for someone on a smaller budget, like myself, I use a couple of things. However, the first thing to understand about a GCP is that they're very small. The best way to think of a GCP is to imagine that you have a coin like this one that's laying on the ground. Now, this coin will represent a single longitude, latitude, and altitude coordinate. You must be able to find this coin in the images of your drone. To do that, we need a GCP target. That's going to help us to see the location of the coin. So first, I lay out my GCP targets. As you can see here, these targets are very basic. They can be stored and carried anywhere. I got a pack of these black and white mesh targets on Amazon from a company called Sky High Bullseye. Now, if you like these targets, check out the link in the description below. Now, I've had mine for about a month or so, and I've used them quite a bit. Now, I know some people feel that the black and white 2-foot by 2-foot targets that you get on Amazon are not very good. I say, why pay a lot of money for something you're going to throw on the ground and just use to mark a point? But, hey, you make up your own mind where you spend your money. Next, I set up my target. I then use a GPS device like this one here to give me an accurate GPS location in the very center of my target. Now, after setting up all of my GCPs, I'm ready to fly and collect my images. Now, since I've already done this, let's take a look at the results.